Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's just first open the settings and then tap on the network and internet. After that, click here to the Wi-Fi switcher to activate Wi-Fi on your device, and after that tap here once on the Wi-Fi section. Then you'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's select the second one. Here you should select the password, enter the password. To show the password, click here on this checkbox, for example, to handle some mistakes. And after that, let's just enter our password. And just to connect, click here connect, wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Here we have 3 saved networks with the password, so you can switch now between these 2 networks. And if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel, and here in the left upper corner you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just click here once on this icon, and after that, to launch the settings, hold for a while this icon, and by the same way you can select the network, enter the password, and tap to connect. And if you want to turn it off from here, just by the same way, click here once again on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.